So what is happening? Moist light and wind, and this moist light and wind, and suppose there is a, I said that suppose I said that there is a 35 degrees Celsius. How much? Near the ground. Here it is how much temperature? 35. Is it clear? How much temperature? Suppose 30 ले लिया मैंने, 30 temperature. And 1 kilometer it raised up. अच्छा ये मुझे बताओ, it will come with the more moisture or less moisture? More moisture, because it is coming from the Pacific Ocean. Moisture is very heavy. Yes. It is coming over there, and at 1 kilometer height, if there is no cloud formation, it will behave like what? Dry adiabatic lapsite? Yes or not? It will behave like. So what is the temperature here? 20 degrees Celsius. And then यहाँ पे अब cloud formation, इसके ऊपर cloud formation start हुआ. Yes or not? Saturation started above 1 kilometer. तो मैं इस region को क्या लूँगा? Just tell me. Saturated adiabatic lapsite. What will I take? Now, as the saturation occurred, then it started releasing the heat. And it started releasing the heat means I said that will be 5 degrees Celsius per kilometer. So the cloud formation started taking place. In the next 1 kilometer, it will be what? 50. 2 kilometer. And at 3 kilometer, it is I said that cloud formation is going on. It is 10. And at 4 kilometer, it becomes 5 degrees Celsius. Is it clear? So this is the way the cloud and the rainfall, this region become, yes, tell me. Windward side. Tell me. Windward side. Get it? And then maximum rainfall, yes or no? On the other side it will go, there will be no moisture. No, कोई moisture होगा? पहले तो 2 kilometer तक गया, then he can be able to carry other side some moisture. And here it is rising up to height of what? So they can carry the moisture. अरे moisture और सारे moisture इधर ही convert हो गए cloud में. So they are coming which? Dry air. No rainfall. Yes or not? And what is the temperature? 5 degrees Celsius. And now this air has to move down. पहला, अब इधर रेनफॉल होगा? टेल मी फास्ट. होगा? ये leeward side है, it is in what? It means it will convert into desert. It will convert into desert. So we have in a desert, like I said that यहाँ पे Sonoran desert, Mozart desert, Chihuahuan desert. Another I said in the colder region of this, Patagonia desert, leeward effect. So it is I said that Patagonia, and here I said that Sonoran. This desert formation is due to the which? Orographic. Yes or no? One side is in a heavy rainfall, another side is in a what? No rainfall. Now, this wind is descending now. It is descending with respect to what? Moist, dry adiabatic lapsate formation or moist, saturated? Descending air is always dry. तो at 1 kilometer height नीचे जब जाएगा तो इसका यहाँ पे 5 है. It will become 50, and then now it will become 25, then it will become 35, 3 kilometer down. Now 4 kilometer down it will become what? So who is warm? This region is warm or this region is warm? Leeward side. Understood? Affecting the climate? Yes or not? Relief features are affecting the climate or not? If the question comes, discuss the factors influencing the climates of the world, can you say the relief feature is one of the factor? Now, and ये थोड़ा सा ऊपर गया, यहाँ पे हो रहा है, और ये जब यहाँ से उतरता है तो इसको बोलते हैं चिनूक. यहाँ पे तो डेजर्ट बना है, it is what? चिनूक. और इसने क्या किया? They started melting the ice. They started what? जब wind उतर रहा है तो it is increasing the heat. And melting the ice, it is known as an ice eater. So Chinook in the what? This part of North America is in a Chinook, और यहाँ पे Santa Ana कहा जाता है इसे. and these are which? ये कौन सा wind है? Tell me. Tertiary wind. Monsoon is in a secondary, so the local winds are known as tertiary wind. Understood? जो आपको बताना है अभी इसके अंदर बहुत सारी चीजें. Understood it? Clear? So which one? Chinook is? What is the meaning of Chinook? It is a tertiary wind, local originated, and it is known as what? Ice eater. Sorry, snow eater बोल रहा हूँ. Snow eater. Clear? और यहां पर एक और कौन सा विंड आता है? Santa Ana. Which one I said that? And both are warm or hot, cold wind? Huh? Hot wind. Understood? Descending and then increasing the temperature. Clear? ये ऊपर में थोड़ा सा कोल्डनेस की वजह से आइस मिल गया तो आइस को गिलाने लगा और यहाँ पर डेजर्ट है. Understood it? Understood? Chinook and so who has created? Physiography. Yes or not? So local wind is developed due to only change in the climate at the local region, physical or chemical, physical factors. Yeah, it can be also determined by relief features. अरे relief feature भी determine करेगा कि नहीं? नहीं समझ में आया? वहाँ पे definition अच्छा नहीं लिखोगे ना तो marks भी examiner नहीं देगा. और फिर लिखोगे on the basis of physiography this relief feature. पढ़ा है katabatic wind and anabatic wind सुना होगा. That is determined by features. Land breeze, sea breeze, it is determined by local change in climate. Atmospheric attributes, temperature, pressure changes, wind pattern get changes. So the land breeze and sea breeze is in a kind of what is an atmospheric attribute changes. Then it is an origination of local winds. And due to the topography, there is some wind pattern developed. It is known as what? Local wind also. The two factors are change in local atmospheric attributes and change in physiography lead to the development of local winds, and this is known as an what? Tertiary wind. तो हम लोग करेंगे अभी. I said that this is clear. Orographic rainfall. And where the orographic rainfall are happening in the world? Is there any fixed zone? Yeah, it is happening anywhere in the world. Huh? Anywhere in the world, that's good. Is there anywhere in the world, is there any specific location? कहीं पे भी mountains हो. Alps, western पे तो है नहीं. Southern Alps mountains in the south of Europe. Yes? Getting my point? हिमालयास का पता है ना कहाँ पे? तो एग्जाम्पल से वेस्ट दिख रहा है लेकिन वर्ल्ड में तो बहुत सारी जगह है. ऑस्ट्रेलिया इज देयर ऑन द ईस्टर्न साइड, ग्रेट डिवाइडिंग रेंज. सो आई सेड दैट आप लोग क्या बोलोगे? जनरली दिस माउंटेन्स शुड बी अलोंग द कोस्ट. अंडरस्टूड? राइट नाउ कन्वेक्शनल रेनफॉल हैपेंड ड्यू टू द orographic rainfall happens due to obstruction put by mountains, plateaus. Generally located anywhere in the world, but specifically along the coast. Clear? समझ में आ गया? So this is in which rainfall I said that? Orographic. Clear? Next point I said, क्या था? Convectional. वर्ल्ड के अच्छा माउंटेन्स कहाँ कहाँ है? टेल मी इन द वर्ल्ड वेयर द माउंटेन्स आर. जस्ट थोड़ा सा दिमाग में आपका रहे. दिस इज एन विच एंडेस, Rockies, यहाँ पे Sierra Nevada, Cascade, Coast Range, Coast Mountain, Alaska, Bruce Range, all. This side is Appalachian. Yes, Appalachian. यहाँ पे इसको बोला जाता है वेस्टर्न कॉर्डिलेरा, एंड मैंने आप लोगों को पढ़ाया होगा फॉर्मेशन ऑफ इट. एंड दिस इज आई सेड दैट अल्प्स, एंड यहाँ पे भी सेवरल माउंटेन रेंजेस आर देयर. दैट इज एन एल्बर्ट, जाग्रोस, पॉन्टिकस, टॉरस. दिस इज एन हिमालयास, ग्रेट डिवाइडिंग रेंज. यहाँ पे लिख सकते हैं ना, वेयर दिस ओरोग्राफिक रेनफॉल्स आर हैपनिंग इन द वर्ल्ड. एंड यस, वेस्टर्न घाट. और ज्यादा और धीरे धीरे जानने लग जाएंगे तो आप बोलोगे पेगू गियोमा, अराकान योमा. एंड देट इज एन आई सेड दैट इंडो चाइना पेनिसुला, इसको बोला जाता है. दिस पेनिसुला इज नोन एज इंडो चाइना. जो ये दिख रहा है म्यांमार, थाईलैंड, कंबोडिया, लाओस, वियतनाम, इसको क्या बोलते हैं? इंडो चाइना पेनिसुला. So in this region there is an also what is an orographic rainfall. So where there is orographic rainfall? Western coast of North America, eastern coast of North America. नाम लिख सकते हैं mountains. Rockies लिख लेंगे यदि western corridor याद नहीं है. And the eastern side Appalachian. And this mountain with the western side Alps mountain in the southern Europe. And there you can be able to see, I said that in the Arabian region, यदि आपको याद हो, Elburz, Zagros, Ponticus, Taurus. Eastern Australia, which I said that. And then Western Ghat, yes, and to some extent our Himalayas, and then I said that Indo-China Peninsula.